Looking for a heavy-duty hose nozzle that actually lasts, gives strong pressure, and feels comfortable to use? The RAINPOINT full metal garden hose nozzle is built exactly for that: durability, versatility, and easy control in one solid tool. Right away, the biggest highlight is full metal construction. Unlike cheap plastic nozzles, this one uses a 100% metal body designed to resist rust, corrosion, and drops, making it much more reliable for long-term outdoor use. Performance is where it really shines. With 10 adjustable spray patterns, including jet, mist, shower, and flat, you can switch from watering delicate plants to blasting dirt off patios or washing your car in seconds. The thumb control flow system is a huge upgrade over traditional trigger nozzles. Instead of constantly squeezing, you simply push the lever to adjust pressure or turn water on or off, which reduces hand fatigue during longer tasks. You also get high flow output, meaning stronger water pressure compared to basic sprayers, great for cleaning jobs where weaker nozzles struggle. Comfort is well thought out too. The ergonomic grip stays secure even when wet, and it fits standard 3/4 hoses without needing adapters, so setup is quick and hassle-free. From general usage perspective, multi-pattern nozzles like this are ideal because they let you switch between gentle watering and high-pressure cleaning depending on the task, making them one of the most versatile outdoor tools. Now, the honest part: being all metal, it can feel slightly heavier than plastic models, and like most metal nozzles, it may get warm if left in direct sunlight for long periods. Overall, this is a durable, high-pressure, all-in-one hose nozzle that balances strength, comfort, and versatility, perfect for gardening, car washing, and outdoor cleaning without needing multiple tools. Click the link below for the best price.